Ever wondered what sets successful people apart? Today, we're diving into the top 10 mind hacks they don't want you to know. These are the secrets whispered in boardrooms and private retreats. It all starts right here, in your mind. Get ready to unleash the force of your own mind and step into a whole new level of success. We're starting strong with visualization. This isn't some new age mumbo-jumbo. This is a tool used by elite athletes, CEOs, and anyone who's ever dared to dream big. Close your eyes for a second and imagine vividly what you want to achieve. Feel the emotions, the excitement, the satisfaction of reaching that goal. That's the power of visualization. So get clear on your vision, make it vivid, feel it, and watch how your actions start aligning with your goals. Let's talk about the power of words. What you repeatedly tell yourself becomes your reality. Positive affirmations are like turbocharging your self-belief. Instead of saying, "I can't," start saying, "I can, I am capable." Don't underestimate the impact of these simple shifts in language. When you consistently feed your mind with positive affirmations, you're rewiring your brain for success. Remember, your words have power. Use them to build yourself up, not tear yourself down. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Successful people set clear, actionable goals and break them down into bite-sized steps. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Focus on the daily actions that will move you closer to your goals. Write down your goals, make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Then create a plan of action. The act of writing down your goals and planning your steps dramatically increases your chances of success. Continuous learning, never stop growing. The world is changing faster than ever before. Successful people are lifelong learners. They're hungry for knowledge, always seeking to expand their minds and skill sets. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, and surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. The more you learn, the more adaptable you become, the more equipped you are to navigate the challenges and opportunities that life throws your way. Networking your network is your net worth. Success is rarely a solo act. It's about building strong relationships with people who can support you, inspire you, and open doors for you. Attend industry events, connect with people online, reach out to mentors and potential collaborators. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you. Be a giver, be a connector, and watch how your network becomes a powerful force multiplier in your journey to success. Mindfulness. Master your mind, master your life. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle. Mindfulness is about hitting the pause button, becoming present, and connecting with inner peace. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and gratitude journaling help cultivate mindfulness. When present, you're more aware of thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. You make better decisions, manage stress, and respond to challenges with clarity and calmness. Resilience, bouncing back. Stronger. Life's a bumpy road. There will be setbacks and failures. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Resilience is bouncing back from adversity, learning from mistakes, and coming back stronger. Don't let setbacks define you. It's about how many times you get back up. Time management, making every minute count. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people seem to achieve so much more. The difference, time management. Successful people understand the value of time. They prioritize their tasks, eliminate distractions, and focus on high-impact activities. Learn to say no to time wasters, delegate tasks when possible, and optimize your schedule for maximum productivity. Gratitude, the power of appreciation. Gratitude is more than just good manners. It's a powerful emotion that can transform your life. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Start a gratitude journal. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. It could be your health, family, friends, a beautiful sunrise, or a delicious meal. The more you practice gratitude, the more you attract things to be grateful for. Calculated risks. Stepping outside your comfort zone. The greatest rewards in life often lie outside your comfort zone. Successful people understand that taking calculated risks is essential for growth and achievement. It's not about being reckless. It's about weighing the potential rewards against the potential risks and making informed decisions. Embrace the unknown, step outside your comfort zone, and be willing to take calculated risks. Remember, the greatest regret is not the mistakes you made, but the chances you didn't take. Unleash your potential. Unlock your true potential with these 10 mind hacks. Success is a journey, not a destination. Implement these hacks daily, step by step. Believe in yourself and trust the process. You have the power to achieve anything. Like, share and subscribe for more success tips. Now go make your mark on the world.